My name is Nicole with So Much More. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add zipper ends to your zipper tape. Adding a zipper end is an easy way to take your project to the next level. While you're watching, if you see something that you like, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Head over to my online shop to get your supplies. I've linked those in the description just below this video. Let's get started adding zipper ends to your zipper tape. I finished my purse but wanted to use a zipper end instead of folding over fabric to close off the end of my zipper. Now, because my zipper tape is a number 5, which is just an indication for the width of the tape, I'm going to trim down the corners to achieve a beveled edge. Now, once I trim down those corners, I'm going to add a little bit of fray check so that everything stays nice and tidy. The finish I'm choosing is gold because it'll match my zipper teeth and the rest of the hardware on this bag. The zipper end comes with the end itself and a small screw to help the zipper end stay into place. So all you have to do is fit the end of your zipper tape into the cavity of the zipper end. Because my zipper tape is wide, I'm folding in the sides of the tape so that everything fits nice and snug. Once I get the tape inside of the zipper end, we'll just add the tiny screw to help secure the tape in place. The trick here is to have the dexterity to handle such a tiny screw. I found that magnetizing your screwdriver is very helpful. You can place your metal screwdriver onto a magnet, and this will help you get the screw into the opening. This tiny screw helps to keep the tape in place. And if you want, you can add a drop of Loctite before you screw everything together. Adding a zipper end to your zipper tape is just that simple, and it creates such a lovely finish for a project that you've worked so hard on. I have a variety of finishes in my online shop for you to choose from. My favorite is probably the iridescent rainbow. It goes really nicely with the iridescent zipper tape. Check out all of my bag hardware, which is linked in the description just below this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and share this video with your sewing friends. If you're looking for more sewing and quilting DIY, check out the link in the description and sign up for my weekly newsletter. Each week, I send inspiration directly to your inbox. For unique sewing and quilting projects, visit my website, where there is always so much more in store.